Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to verify your Bunq account. So first we're going to go to our Bunq app. Then here we're going to log in. So once we're here, we're going to click on our account icon, which is found on the top left corner. Then under that section we're going to click on profile. Then here, as you can see, there is the complete verification or verify identity option. You're going to click on it. Then you're going to write your current name, your first name, your middle name, your last name. Then once you're done, you're going to click on no or yes. Then we're going to upload our document. This could be your government issued ID, passport, or driver license. Then we're going to take a selfie. And then once we're done, they're going to verify our account. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.